there we go. All right. Hello, everyone. So I promised at about 4:45, it is 4:41, that I would do an unboxing. So I am here to show you what is in my latest Posh box. Here we go. Let's see what I got. I think I know what this one is. Oh, so before I start, hi, Rebecca. So let me show you really quick. This is what normally comes in a Posh box with your samples in it. So they just informed us that starting here in July, they will no longer be providing these envelopes with samples in them. This won't be free in there anymore. What they're going to do instead is giving you the option to add samples to your Posh box. So for $5, you'll be able to get a bag, so a little cosmetic bag plus 12 samples in it, or you can choose some other options. So hi, Christina. So starting here in July, when you get a Posh order, or even towards the end of June, I think this probably will be my last order that has free samples in it. They're changing up their sampling a little bit, and they're going to make it more available and more options for samples. So if you start to get Posh boxes without samples in it, that is why. There is more information in the newsroom. If you already have an account with Posh, go check out the newsroom, and it will tell you more about the new sampling program. So that's that. Underneath this fun, here we go. Look at all this good stuff. Oh, that's right. This is what I did. I took advantage of the bundles and the deals. So I have been wanting to try this Sassy Yuma scrub. Sassy Yuma is one of my favorite scents. I have the So Soapy, I have the Big Fat Yummy hand cream, so I figured it makes sense for me to have the So Soapy scrub to go, or the Sassy Yuma scrub. Oh, you didn't know that about the samples, Christina? Yeah, it came in like a random email, I think, or I was reading it in the home office, our virtual office or something like that. But yeah, there's a whole new sampling thing that's going to be going on. But yeah, gone are the days of these little packets, Christina. They're going to do something different. So it's in the newsroom. It also was in like the latest, I think it was that July email they sent out to everybody. It's in there. So yeah, so the Sassy Yuma scrub, I'm excited to try. So I will use this to exfoliate. So it's a little exfoliating beads, and it's super exciting because it's my favorite scent. And I will use that in connection with my So Soapy Sassy Yuma. So I will smell like Sassy Yuma, and I'm kind of excited about it. And yeah, I just happened to catch up today, and I've been busy. Yeah, summer busyness. Woohoo! So I will use this to exfoliate before shaving, which is really awesome. Actually, not only before shaving, but before doing my new thing to remove my hair, which is the Nair leg mask. That's my new favorite thing. More about that at another time. But anyway, here are the exfoliating, the Sassy Yuma. So, yep, so that's that one. Let's see what else. Ooh, my other favorite is Show and Gel. I absolutely love Show and Gel. The scent of this, okay, I know I said that Sassy Yuma was my favorite scent. I think I might have to amend that and say that Show and Gel is my favorite scent. The lemongrass, the light prickly pear, the aloe, like it's just such a great summer moisturizer. It's so light and refreshing and cooling. It's excellent for after sunburn. It also, little tip from me to you, is great at preventing bugs from biting because it has lemongrass in it, and they don't like lemongrass. So this is all the fun ingredients. If I can hold this still, it is super awesome. So yeah, so that's scented with fresh green lemongrass. That scent keeps the bugs away. Super awesome. So I actually ordered this bottle, and I got this with perks. So I got this for free with my perks, which is awesome. And then I actually got another bottle. Hi, Stephanie. I got another bottle in my next order. I ordered a little bit at the end of June here, before July started, to take advantage of some of these deals and use up some perks and some half off coupons. So, and the free shipping. So anyway, so Show and Gel is so amazing. Highly recommend grabbing a couple bottles of this. I mean, it's a big bottle, and it's, I believe, $19 normally. And it lasts. You can obviously get all the way down to the bottom by cutting it off. And yeah, a little bit goes a long way. It is my favorite. So that's that. And then I got 2 things of honey. One of them will be for vendor events, and one of them is for us because it is another one that is great for summer because it helps hydrate after a sunburn. And it also helps, oh, I don't know why it's doing that. Okay, not now. It also can help keep the bugs away. So between Honey and Show and Gel, you can keep the bugs away. They don't like the scent of these 2, so it's really nice for that. It's not guaranteed, it's not marketed as a bug repellent, but it's just a nice added bonus because they don't like the scent of it. So that is super awesome. And then Honey also really good at moisturizing. Hi, Lisa. Really good at moisturizing after sunburn. We've been using it here. We both got, by we I mean Josh and I, we both got pretty badly sunburned. We were out in the kayak and got pretty toasted, and this has been saving us from peeling. Between using the stripper and Show and Gel and Honey, we have not peeled at all from our sunburn. And even Josh is like, did you get more of that Honey? Because we're out of it. So that's super awesome. So I'm getting him to use more Posh, which is great. So one of these is for us and one of these is for me to sell at my vendor events. Let's see what else. Ooh, speaking of vendor events, I stocked up on Hello Sweetie because that seems to be a popular one that I keep selling out of. So I got 2 Hello Sweeties, which is a nice little coconutty smell. So, not coconutty, vanilla. Sweet and sunny vanilla. So if you like the little light, if you liked My Hands Are Tied, it's a little bit sweeter smelling than My Hands Are Tied, but it's along that same vanilla-y scent. So that's a good one for that if you want to order some of that. And then last but not least was my free, came with, I guess not technically free, but came with as part of the bundle, is the Glare eyeshadow. I really like it. I have a tube of the gold. I think these are both the silver, so I will probably keep one of these for myself because it's the silver and I have the gold. So I will keep one of these and then I will add it to the other one to my Posh stock for vendor events. So that is my latest package. Super awesome. I stocked up for summer between shaving, sunburn, bug bites. I got my summer stuff ready to go, my eyeshadow, so I am all set. I did get 2 more things that I ordered. Ooh, I ordered the new primer. That's coming this week. And then I ordered, I think I ordered another Show and Gel because I might sell it or I might just keep it on stock because I need it and I go through a lot of it. But yeah, I think I have 2 more boxes that are coming either this week or next week that I will talk more about as I get stuff in. So I hope everyone is having a great start to their July. It's already July 1st, which is awesome that it's already July, but at the same time, oh, it's already July. Where does summer go? Not too late though to stock up on your summer stuff. You still have time because as you know, Posh ships really fast. So if you need stuff for next week and you're going out of town or whatnot, definitely grab some summer stock. So I hope everyone's having a great start to their July and a great start to their week. If you have any questions about anything, let me know and have a great rest of your evening. Bye!